What comes out of an egg? Tap on the eggs to see who is hiding inside. What is that? It's a turtle! Some turtles lay eggs in the sand and leave them to hatch on their own. The young turtles make their way to the water while trying to avoid predators. Can you help the baby turtles get to the water? Drag them to the correct spot. What is that? It's a platypus. The platypus is a very unusual animal. Put the puzzle pieces back in place to learn some cool platypus facts. It has webbed feet and a beak, just like a duck. It has otter-like fur. It lays eggs like a bird, even though it's a mammal. It has a beaver-like tail. What is that? It's a penguin! Meet the penguins of Antarctica. They come in many shapes and sizes. Put them in the right order from 1 to 6, smallest to biggest, and listen to their names. Adelie penguin, chinstrap penguin, macaroni penguin, king penguin, emperor penguin, gentoo penguin.